Hello and welcome to a new video. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to install the Android TV operating system on your USB pen drive. This will allow you to have a portable version of Android TV, which you could take anywhere you want. It will be a fully functioning Android TV supporting Android apps, games, etc. So first of all, you need to download the Android TV file. It's an ISO file, and I will provide a link for download in the video description below. The next thing you'll need is an app called Rufus. Simply go to the official website, which I will link in the video description below, and download it. I prefer the portable version, as you won't need to install it, but it's up to you which Rufus version to download. It won't matter as both versions work the same. Okay, now that you have both files downloaded, simply launch Rufus, agree with all the prompts, and the application should successfully launch. In the very first field, select the USB pen drive you are going to use for the Android TV. Next, click the Select button and find your Android TV ISO file, which you just downloaded. In the partition scheme, select GPT. Actually, it should work on both partition schemes, but I prefer GPT. And finally, make sure FAT32 default is selected in the File System section. This is very important. Okay, and after the configuration is done, simply click Start. Agree with all the prompts and just wait. Rufus will now import the Android TV to your USB key. It usually takes a couple of minutes, but it might take longer if you have a slower USB key. Okay, Rufus has finished the job, and now we have one last step to finish setting up the Android TV USB key. Go to the USB, find the data zip file, and simply extract it in the very same USB root folder. It's a storage file. Without it, you won't be able to install apps, as it provides virtual storage space within the Android TV operating system. Thus, although your USB drive might have a lot of available free space, without this file, the Android TV operating system won't be able to detect the free storage space. Okay, after the extraction is done, you may delete the zip file, and finally you are ready to launch the Android TV from your USB. In order to do that, you'll have to access BIOS within your PC and from there boot the USB. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, I have accessed my BIOS, and depending on your motherboard, it may be a different process. For me, all I had to do was keep on pressing the F2 button on my keyboard after restarting my computer until this screen appeared. Now find the boot options. In my BIOS, it's right here, and simply select the USB drive as a priority for boot. After you have done that, save the changes, and you may exit the BIOS. Now, simply wait for your computer to boot, and it should now launch the Android TV. And here you go, simply select the very first choice, wait a little bit, and the Android TV will launch. And that's all I wanted to show you today. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe.